Hey Chris, hope you're well. And in this video, I would like uh, to demonstrate you what was done. So let me go through the spreadsheet I've created for you, as discussed. So like task sheet, and now, as I mentioned, I was working on greater of and lesser of and other uh, types of rental of calculation. Yes, so, and let me demonstrate how all of those which were done works. And the functionality you asked me also to demonstrate. Yes, so like creation new tenancy and so on, auto updating and so on. So let's go to the database, please. And here we have tenancies, and every time when you create a new tenancy, the section rent review is auto-updated. For example, if say you have like no values in those fields, and just to save your tenancy and go back, you can see them auto updated. So let me please demonstrate how how the how reviews work. I've just deleted this one and starting from scratch. So now we have a few rental review types, and let's start with first review type is fixed. When you set this type of review, your review will be calculated as a via fixed formula. I mentioned that now I've created just a test mechanism which allows you to test those math, not waiting a year, and how it works every time when you change the rental review type, and if you reload this page, you could see a new review. It was created immediately, not waiting a year. Yes, so just for, once again, just for test, the test purpose. Yes, so when we test it, when you test it, so I will remove this immediate trigger. Yes, so and the review will be triggered at a specific date, like next market review date. Yeah, but now it is triggered every time when you just change this review type, just only for test purpose. So when we click on the review, can see that it was out of field and uh, here is the, how it was calculated. Rental review type calculation fixed. Review date this year. Current rental years. Fixed percent increase. Current rental increase and new rental. So if you click on the tenancy, you can see that current market rental was updated and like last market review date and next market review date was updated too. So let's test please another type of CPI. And once again, if we reload this page, only for test purpose, you could see a new review immediately. This one. So the log is different. It's like for CPI right now, and you could check the math, and so all fields were auto updated, like start date, end date for this review, base rental, new market rental, rate per square meter, and so on. When you click on the tenancy, you can see that it was updated too. So last market review date, current market rental, and others. So let's test grader of rental review type. So and reload this page, and only for the test purpose now we have a new review grader of. Here the log is a bit different. Couple of options. So first fixed calculation and CPI calculation, and current rental increase for the fixed would be this one, and for the CPI would be this one. So since that's the grade of type, the maximum, the greatest was chosen, and we have this kind of rental increase and new rental. So, and the tenancy was tenancy fields was updated, were updated too. So and lesser of type, review type. So let's reload this page, and we can see that the least amount was chosen, and the tenancy record was updated too. Uh, Please feel free to test this, and please send me your feedback, what should be changed. I would also demonstrate you a Trello project. So if the spreadsheet is more convenient for you uh, to see everything about the project, we could use this one. If you like to use Trello, we could use Trello. So here you can see different tasks. I just created a few of them, and every time when I uh, have something done, I just like move the card, and you can see which cards were done, and if everything is okay, you can accept it, or you can uh, leave any comments, for example, and we can discuss. Probably just like to I can fix any bugs, or add any features. So if Trello is more convenient for you, just let me know, and I will add you to the dashboard, yeah, and you are able to you will be able to use it. Thank you, Chris, and please feel free email me when you test the functionality. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.